Woo! What do we got here? Oh my God. YouTube, what's going on today? Hope you guys are having a good day. I'm here with a good friend, Mike. He's been a long time watcher and supporter of the channel, and after finally being able to pull the trigger on it, I've finally been able to get him along with his badass 4th gen Cummins on film. So I think this is a treat today. We've been talking probably for the last like hour bullshit and just talking about just Marine Corps, like just everything. So really good time. I've been looking at this truck nonstop. It's a beautiful, beautiful 4th gen. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that intro video I did of film on it. But now Mike's gonna go ahead. He's gonna introduce his truck. I'll let him introduce himself and stuff on the camera. We're gonna do a full walk around this truck. This truck is amazing. This is, you know how they got the hashtag life goals? This is it right here for me, okay? So we're gonna find out everything that's going on with this truck, and I hope you guys enjoy, okay?
All right, here's my 2014 2500. So maximum steel is the color. Pretty cool color. You look at it in the light and you can see all different kinds of different color speckles and whatnot. I got the truck used, 20,000 miles, and it only took about 14,000 before I figured I was going to delete it, put on the big tires and lift, and then I wanted to do the gears too because that's really important in these trucks with the 68 RFE. If you do not want to have problems and you go with a bigger tire, you're going to have to address that. So we started with that about 3 years ago. 37-inch tires. I go with a little bit more meaty tires so I can air down and do some off-road stuff. Get the redneck nephews out of the ditch. They go mud and get the truck stuck.
Hell yeah.
The BDS 6-inch 4-link.
How does that ride?
It's stiff, just like Randy's project says. He's 100% right.
Oh my
Down
goodness.
here, probably not too much of a problem, but up there, especially where the roads are not as good because of the temperature fluctuation, it's noticeable.
Okay.
I'm eyeballing them shocks too. I saw his video last night.
Yeah, man, them shocks look good. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. So right now, here's the thing about this truck. You know, it's got almost 6,000 miles on it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and it's been lifted like this, tuned, and it's got more mods on it since about 34,000. And I've not had anything but the water pump, which is a recalled thing, go out on it.
That's a Cummins right there for you.
Take care of it, it'll do you right.
Hell yeah.
What else? So we got a built transmission in it, a RevMax 700, fully built, everything you can get on it.
Do you have a deep dish pan on it, or is it?
Okay, so it's got their older style. Yeah, it's a deep dish. I'm gonna talk to them probably in the next couple months and see if I can see what it looks like in the next upgrade. Apparently, got some top secret squirrel stuff going on with a 68 RFE that does not need a computer to shift.
Yeah, so I talked, because you went through RevMax, right?
Yeah.
So RevMax said that they came out with a tuneless tune 4 to 68 transmission. I was talking to them about it the other day. Man, this is nice.
So we got this little grill here. This is a T-Rex grill. I did not like the plastic OEM one. I figured if some shit flies up in my grill, I wanted to at least have some protection. So
yeah,
this guy here is solid steel all the way. I didn't like the ones that relied on the plastic, the OEM plastic shell, and still had the metal part inside. I wanted the full deal.
It's beautiful.
Next step is going to be the full fat bumpers, because
nice.
I don't know if you can tell or not, but we had to go in places that uncharted territory. Someone tried to keep us out, but it didn't work. And bumpers is a little.
I want to do the move bumper front on mine.
Definitely.
Those things are badass.
On fender flares. Hey, fender flares are for some people. I don't like having all the shit flap on the side of the truck. That's why we got these guys too. It keeps the grist down.
Did it come lined out like this or rough texture?
I put Line-X.
Line-X? Oh man, that's awesome. Hell yeah. Legit.
Little shorty antenna.
Yeah, I saw the bullet antenna 50 count.
yeah,
You kind of making me want to get one seeing it like that, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I know. Oh snap! I know what I was gonna ask you. Wheel setup. What are we working with for wheels?
They're 17 inch. I think they're about 9 inches wide. Nothing too crazy at all. They are XD Haas, I believe.
Man,
And
that's
the offset
neat.
is, I think, -18.
Okay.
The idea was to get it poking out just a little bit past the fender flare.
Yeah.
Nothing.
And we got that too.
Nothing too
You
crazy.
got that going on. Oh
Down
yeah.
there in the back, you can see I got a Hellwig. What is that thing called? Big Wig rear sway bar. And
Oh,
I've
man.
got the AAM 3500 dually diff cover on there.
I was looking at that.
Yeah,
Man,
it's
that's-
$180 on eBay.
which is not bad compared to.
And with all the drama going on with Gale Banks and his diff
Yeah,
covers.
they Gale Bakes, man, they do some good stuff.
Yeah.
So I see your compressor tank down here. What's
that's my train horn. That is Horn Blaster's Conductor Special Nightmare Edition, I believe.
nice?
And I've got the compressor tucked up underneath the rear passenger seat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. All right. Well,
I have an FTE stack. And
Okay.
a straight pipe 4-inch all the way back to the turbo. There's a little 5-inch elbow into a 6-inch stack. Again, I didn't want anything crazy. The pipe's 12-inch or something.
yeah. It's good though, and it sounds so good, man. You guys wait till he starts this thing up, man. You guys are gonna hear this truck, and this is a beautiful truck. But I got to show you guys the engine first, man, because this thing is ridiculous. Let's see if I can open up a 4th gen hood. Oh yeah, I can. Woo!
All right.
Well,
So,
we start left from right, right to left.
First thing first, we got it's a Fleece 2nd Gen kit that I modified to fit a Borg Warner S369 SXE turbo.
Oh man.
See, we got a Fleece coolant bypass there, Fleece coolant tank. I got a full grid heater delete. Any of the wires and all that shit, that's gone.
Yeah, I still got my wires in my truck for my grid heater. I still get the little spool up icon, the little pigtail.
CCV. It's not a delete. It's just free flowing.
Nice, nice.
I'm gonna get a valve cover later on, but I like to focus on shit that makes me go fast first.
I don't blame you, bro.
The Monster Ram intake, I thought that was appropriate.
Yeah.
But, I really like that because I'm looking into either doing methanol or probably nitrous. I think nitrous.
Woo! Oh man.
On these 4th gens, the 14 and 15, they have 2 radiators, so you see that little billet deal.
Yeah.
That's because the OEM plastic ones crack and leak, so we had to get that in there.
I didn't even know they had two radiators.
Yeah,
like
they
that.
got rid of the design after 15, so that tells you something.
Do you plan on powder coating the intake horn
To
and
be honest,
turbo?
no. I like the plain, just
Okay.
aluminum.
Yeah.
I'm kind of just like, again, I don't like the flash.
The flash and stuff?
It's for some people. I like
And-
more of this front.
Oh,
look.
I gotta show you guys this real quick. I thought this was badass. That is a socket right there. Improvised. That's right. That right there is called adapt and overcome. Okay.
And you can see probably the head studs, ARP 625s, and what you don't see are the Hamilton valve springs and push rods.
Oh yeah.
And I got retainers in there too, built
Man.
to see about 4,500 RPM once the fuel system's upgraded to support that.
So right now you're rocking stock injectors and
Completely
CP3.
stock fuel. So
Everything?
the
Okay,
CP3,
okay.
The injectors and the lift pump.
Oh man, this
are
thing's
all
gonna
stock.
rip. It's gonna rip so bad. And then you said you did the rail plug? Or
Yeah, it does have a rail plug.
on it? Okay.
Yeah, it's got the grid here, full delete.
It's kind of hard. Might not be able to see it back there. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. I see it. So he got a rail plug too. Okay. Man, this is it right here. This is beautiful. And the thing is that a lot of people nowadays, like the whole stance look, like 20 by 12s, 22 by 14s or 16s, whatever. A lot of people like the stance look, but back in the day, what's your rim size again?
17.
17s, like that was the thing back in the day on trucks. Like there were no 24s and 22s. Like this is beautiful. It's clean. I would drive this. I would definitely drive this and own this. Like this is a nice setup right here. So absolutely. You want to give us a crank up, man, so we can hear that bad stack start up? Oh, I can't wait for this. It's good. It's about to sound so good. Woo! Man, that's good right there. That's it. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna test drive. Mike's letting me test drive his 4th Gen Cummins. I'm extremely excited. He's setting up the GoPros right now because we're gonna have some GoPros fixed on the truck while we're doing the drive. This is gonna be a really good opportunity for me because he's letting me test drive his truck, 1, and 2, he has a built RevMax transmission and he has a 68 RFE. So I'll be able to see what's it like driving a built transmission. I've never drove a built transmission in 68 before, so I'm really curious on that. And I'll be able to see what it's like to drive with a 369 SXE Borg Warner turbo, because you guys know that I do plan on doing a 2nd gen swap. So this would be a nice way to gauge my options between the 300 series or if I want to go to a 400 series. So Mike's he's a huge fan of the 300 series, man, and I'm gonna be real with you. It rips. This thing rips. Okay. So we're gonna get cameras set up, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do this. All right, here we go. That wasn't even half throttle, and it chirped tires.
Yeah, dude.
Did I do rolling, or should I drop the floor?
Yeah, go. I just mat it.
So like it's a firm shift, but it's also at the same time smooth. Like,
oh yeah,
it doesn't shift to where it's like the whole I've been doing this with one hand, if y'all know. Not that I'm supposed to, but I have been, and